Hi Dresser Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw Lionel Messi. So let's get started. To draw this very awesome soccer player, let's first start by drawing his eyes. So I'm going to start right here with a circle. So not too big. And then I'm going to come across about this wide, then draw another circle. There. So now my two circles in, let's make them draw so cute eyes. We have two small circles inside for highlights and a curved line at the bottom and shade in the top. And lines at the bottom, and same thing over here. There. And so now I have the eyes in, let's give it some definition. I'm going to come right here and just draw a curve. Continuing that top curve for the circle, and then same thing over here. Just bring it down. So it's nice and smooth. Then from there, let's draw his brow. So I'm going to come up and say about right here, really close to his eye. I'm going to once again just draw this curve, kind of sloping down, and thicken it up. And same thing on the other side, about right here. And thicken it up. Then from there, now that we have that, let's see here. Let's come into this area between his eyes and draw a nose. So I'm just going to simplify it as much as possible. I'm just going to draw two curves right here, and then come down towards the center with an angle, and same thing here. So it's just a very general nose, and a very lightly, I'm going to put a line right here. And then let's go ahead underneath the mouth, just skip a tiny bit of space, and I'm going to come here and draw a curve and open it up slightly to give Messi a smile. For his cute smile that he has. And then underneath it, I'll just put in a light curve right underneath. There. And I can make this a little bit higher. Okay, so now that we have that, let's go ahead and frame his face before we draw his beard. So I'm going to come to, let's say this point right here, come out. Same thing here. And we're going to go ahead and draw a curve down to sides of his face, come down. And let's see here, let's keep going. And we want to come down underneath his mouth. So it's a little bit, it's a long face, so say about right here. Just kind of round it off. And connect. And then in this space underneath his nose, let's go ahead and draw a curve. It's so hard to draw when they have a beard. Not even a full beard. If it was a full beard, it would be easier, but because it's kind of like this goatee thing going on. Okay, so let's draw a curve here. So hopefully I've kind of captured his look. And there. So once you color it in, it'll make a little bit more sense. And then now that we have that, let's go up a little bit on both sides. And then let's come back here near his eye, and we're just going to draw his ear. Detail, same thing here. And then let's go ahead and bring this up, and as we go up, we're going to kind of slant in a little bit. So same thing here, slant, and then down. And then for his hairline up here, instead of just kind of making it a straight, smooth curve, I'm just going to come in here and put in these zigzag lines. And notice how on this side it's going this way, and as I move to this side, it goes the other way. There. And then we're going to come to the edge right here and finish up his hair. So angle, and then we're going to angle in. Same thing here, angle a little bit and then come in. So about right here, just going to give a little bump, because right here is where we're going to come to the side. And about right here, just kind of zigzag maybe 3 times and just connect it. For his hair. There. Okay, so then from there, hopefully once we color it, it'll look more like him. Okay, so now that we're done with his face, let's draw his body. So I'm going to come about right here and here and give him a neck. Down and curve out. And then we're going to come out and come down. So wider shoulders. So then about right there, I'm going to come down to kind of like where his armpits would be. I'm going to skip a little bit of space and come right about here. Same thing here. And draw a line. So this just gives me an idea what I'm working with for his body. And it's going to be a little bit wider because we're drawing his shirt. So let's come back here and give him a curve or neck line for his shirt. And then let's see here, let's bring this down. I'm going to flare it out a tiny bit, very subtle as we come down. And then say about right there, I think that's about enough. Just going to kind of connect it with a soft curve. Then from there, we're going to, you know what, let's draw the bottom first. Let's find our center. We're going to come down a little bit and about right here, just draw a slight angle line for where his pants are going to, his shorts are going to start. And right here and here, we're going to separate it just a little bit. Bring it down because the shorts are kind of loose. And then come in by here. And I think about there is long enough, so let's go ahead and connect it on both sides with a slight curve. There. Okay, so then now for his legs, let's come here in the center. I'm just going to make it nice and simple. We're going to go down. So it's slightly thinner at the ankle. To about right there, and then we can go ahead and flare it out for his shoe on both sides and connect. So same thing on the other side. And same thing. There. Okay, so then to make sense of all this, let's come back up. But right here, we're going to add a curve on both sides for his socks and shin guard. And then about right here, put in a curve for where his shoe's going to start. And then you can put in another curve right here for the sole or for that color part of the shoe. And everything's just kind of covered, so I'll just leave it like that just to simplify it. And let's see here. Then let's come back up and draw his shoulders. I'm going to round this part off and come down to about right there and then bring it in. So then on this side, same thing. The only difference is about right here, I'm going to stop because he is the captain. Give him this little captain band right here. There. Okay, so then for some details, let's come right about here. We're going to break the t-shirt up. This jersey shirt, and put in that line. And then let's go ahead and draw his arms. So we're going to have his hands end about here. So let's come here. And we're going to come angle down. Thicken it up. So then about here, just draw his thumb. And fingers. So same thing on the other side. I'll just make sure it bends about the same area. Then down. And fingers. There. Okay, so now we have that, and then draw all the details for the jersey. So let's start, of course, with the center stripe. So I'm going to come right here. It's not going to be exact. Just trying to put in the necessary details. Down the center, and then here we're going to go up and curve and then down. And same thing here. Curve and down. There. And then of course, let's see. We're going to put in this stripe here. Thicken it up. A little thicker there as well. And then same thing here. Okay, and then let's see here. Come down here, and there's also another black stripe. And then maybe just like a little indication of a patch right here. Just going to put in this little shape. And right here, we're going to put in an emblem. So slight curve. Come down. And then curve it in towards the center. There. And then of course we need to write the number 10. So I'll put that right here nice and big. Thicken up my 1 and the 0. There. Okay. Let me make this a little bit thicker so it's easier to see. Okay, so we have the number 10, and then even on the shorts, I think there's like a stripe here as well. And then the number 10 here as well. And then a little emblem, something like a logo over here. And then there's some here and here as well, but it's just too complicated. So we'll leave it at that. And I think that is pretty much it. I'm just going to sneak a heart in here. I know. Hopefully you'll like that. To make this my Just So Cute Messi. I really hope I kind of captured his look and I helped you draw him fun and easy today. And if I did, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.